Hi, I'm Dr. Vincent Truman, and I'm a world-renowned authority on fungal infections, and I've been at the forefront of fungus research for almost 3 decades, and 80% of the information that we've gotten from this research hasn't even gone public yet. So please pay close attention. I've helped thousands of people beat stubborn fungal infections using natural formulas and techniques that the world has never seen before. Yes, I have a deep and dark obsession with wiping out fungus from the face of the planet. Why, you ask? Well, because I fought my own battle against this yellow and nasty plague. You see, back in college, I was blessed with a full baseball scholarship. Every spare moment was spent out on the field, perfecting my swing and strategizing the next game. Baseball was my passion, but there was a shadow that trailed me: my unsightly toenail fungus. As a young man back then, the self-consciousness that I felt every time I had to change shoes in the locker room, it was palpable. And despite all my attempts to defeat or minimize it, it would just resurface in mere weeks after seeming to go away. It wasn't just about my own embarrassment, though. I had this gnawing fear, and despite all my attempts to defeat or minimize it, it would resurface in mere weeks after seeming to go away. It wasn't just about my own embarrassment, though. I had this gnawing fear that it may be contagious. I was worried about passing it on to my teammates. These were good guys who stood by me through thick and thin. The restless nights, the unmistakable odor after a long game, and the ever-looming dread that a minor accident might cause further damage to my nails.